Dear students, today we will study about Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a theory of psychology explaining human motivation based on the pursuit of different levels of needs. The theory states that humans are motivated to fulfill their needs in a hierarchical order. This order begins with the most basic needs before moving on to more advanced needs. The ultimate goal, according to this theory, is to reach the fifth level of hierarchy, self-actualization. This hierarchy suggests that people are motivated to fulfill basic needs before moving on to the other, more advanced needs. As a humanist, Maslow believed that people have an inborn desire to be self-actualized, that is, to be all they can be. Maslow was much more interested in learning about what makes people happy and the things that they do to achieve that aim. Levels of hierarchy. There are five main levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. These levels begins from the most basic needs to the most advanced needs. Maslow originally believed that a person needed to completely satisfy one level to begin pursuing further levels. A more modern perspectives in that these levels overlap. As a person reaches higher levels, their motivation is directed more their towards these levels. However, though their main focus is on higher levels, they will still continue to pursue lower levels of the hierarchy, but this less intensity. Maslow's hierarchy is most often displayed as a pyramid. The lowest levels of the pyramid are made up of the most basic needs, while the most complex needs are at the top of the pyramid. Needs at the bottom of the pyramid are basic physical requirements, including the need for food, water, sleep, and warmth. Once these lower level needs have been met, people can move on the next level of needs, which are for safety and security. As people progress up the pyramid, needs become increasingly psychological and social. Soon, the need for love, friendship, and intimacy becomes important. Further up the pyramid, the need for personal esteem and feelings of accomplishment take priority. Like Carl Rogers, Maslow emphasized the importance of self-actualization, which is a process of growing and developing as a person in order to achieve individual potential. Psychological needs. Psychological needs are the lowest level of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. They are the most essential things a person needs to survive. They include the need for water, food, air, warmth, sleep, and rest. A person's motivation at this level derives from their instinct to survive. The basic psychological needs are probably fairly apparent. These include the things that are vital for our survival. In addition of the basic requirements of nutrition, air and temperature regulation, the psychological needs also include such things as shelter and clothing. Maslow also included sexual reproduction in this level of the hierarchy of needs, since it is essential to the survival and propagation of the species. Security and safety needs. As we move up to the second level of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, the requirements start to become a bit more complex. At this level, the needs for security and safety becomes primary. At this level of safety needs, safety or security needs relate to a person's need to feel safe and secure in their life and surroundings. Motivation comes from the need for law, order, and protection from unpredictable and dangerous conditions. There are many examples of safety needs in modern society. To find stability and security, a person must consider their physical safety. This means seeking protection from the elements, violent conditions, or health threats and sickness. Additionally, an individual needs economic safety to live and thrive in modern societies. This refers to the need for job security, stable income, and savings. One method of achieving economic safety is to learn proper investment strategies. People want control and order in their lives. So, this need for safety and security contributes largely to behaviors at this level. Some of the basic security and safety needs include financial securities, health and wellness, safety against accidents and injury, finding a job, obtaining health insurance and health care, contributing money to a saving account, and moving into a safer neighborhood are all examples of actions motivated by the security and safety needs. Social needs. The third level of Maslow's hierarchy of needs is love and belonging needs. Humans are social creatures that crave interaction with others. The social needs in Maslow's hierarchy include such things as love, acceptance, and belonging. This level of the hierarchy outlines the needs for friendship, intimacy, family, and love. Humans have the need to give and receive love, to feel like they belong in a group. When deprived of these needs, individuals may experience loneliness or depression. At this level, the needs for emotional relationship drives human behavior. Some of the things that satisfy this need include friendships, romantic attachments, family, social groups, community groups, religious organizations. In order to avoid problems such as loneliness, depression, and anxiety, it is important for people to feel loved and accepted by other people. Personal relationships with friends, family, and lovers play a important role. So does involvement in other groups that might include religious groups, sports teams, book clubs, and other group activities. Esteem needs. At the fourth level in Maslow's hierarchy is the need for appreciation and respect. Esteem needs are related to a person's need to gain recognition, status, and feel respected. Once someone has fulfilled their love and belonging needs, they seek to fulfill their esteem needs. Maslow broke up esteem needs into two categories: the need for respect from others and the need for respect from oneself. Respect from others relates to achieving fame, prestige, and recognition. Respect from oneself relates to dignity, confidence, competence, independence, and freedom. At this point, it becomes increasingly important to gain the respect and appreciation of others. People have a need to accomplish things and then have their efforts recognized. In addition to the need for feelings of accomplishment and prestige, esteem needs include such things as self esteem and personal worth. People need to sense that they are valued and by others and feel that they are making a contribution to the world. Participation in professional activities, academic accomplishments, athletes, or team participation, and personal hobbies can all play a role in fulfilling the esteem needs. People who are able to satisfy the esteem needs by achieving good self esteem and the recognition of others tend to feel confident in their abilities. Those who lack self esteem and the respect of others can develop feelings of inferiority. Self actualization needs. At the very peak of the fifth and final level Maslow hierarchy of needs are the self actualization needs. Self-actualization relates to the realization of an individual's full potential. What a man can be, he must be, Maslow explained, referring to the need people have to achieve their full potential as human beings. At this level, people strive to become the best that they possibly can be. The need for self actualization can manifest in different ways, such as obtaining skills, that is, financial modeling skills, continued education, that is, online training courses, utilizing skills, knowledge, and talents, pursuing life dreams, seeking happiness. One person may strive to become the best parent and everyone's best friend. Another person might aim to become a millionaire or humanitarian. Others may work towards becoming a famous athlete. In general, self actualization is the pursuit of personal growth. According to Maslow's definition of self actualization, it may be loosely described as the full use of exploitation of talent, capabilities, potentialities, etc. Such people seem to be fulfilling themselves and to be doing the best that they are capable of doing. They are people who have developed or are developing to the full stature of which they capable. Self-actualization people are self-aware, concerned with personal growth, less concerned with the opinions of others and interested in fulfilling their potential. Growth versus deficiency needs. Maslow separated this hierarchy into two different overarching types of needs, growth needs and deficiency needs. Maslow believes that these needs are similar to instincts that and play a major role in motivating behavior. Psychological, security, social, and esteem needs are deficiency needs, which are arise due to deprivation. Maslow termed the highest level of the pyramid as growth needs. These needs don't stem for a lack of something but rather from a desire to grow as a person. The main difference between growth and deficiency needs is the changes in motivation as needs are met. Motivation increases our growth needs are met. Conversely, motivation decreases and deficiency needs are met. As mentioned previously, self-actualization is the pursuit of personal growth, thus making it is a growth need. Growth needs originate from a desire to become better and grow as a person. As a person fulfills growth needs, their motivation increases as their desire to become even better increases. Conversely, deficiency needs pertain to the four levels below self-actualization: psychological, safety, love and belonging, and esteem needs. Deficiency needs stem from a person's desire to get rid of deficiencies, to obtain things they are lacking. As a person obtaining the things they lack, their motivation to obtain these things decreases. Thank you.